who happened to be the governor and a World War veteran. Arizona named their side after Pat Tillman, who was a professional football career with the Arizona Cardinals. And after 9/11, he gave up his professional football career in order to serve his country. In 2002, he joined the Army, and in 2004, he was killed in Afghanistan by friendly fire. So they named their side after Pat Tillman. Now, if you look directly ahead and a little bit to the right, you're going to see the Hoover Dam, and notice its construction. Most people think it is a steady pour of concrete, but when you look at it, you can tell that it is not. It is made into these concrete blocks that are 50 feet square by 5 feet high. Each one of those blocks contains these 1-inch metal pipes, and in order for it to dry and cure, they will pour river water through the pipes. There was also a refrigeration plant in the area where they will pour thousands of gallons of ice-cold water in order to dry out the concrete. Now, if they did not do that, it would have taken over 125 years for the dam to dry. Once it was dry, they would fill those metal pipes up with mortar, and then they would seal the seams with mortar, and so that the concrete in the Hoover Dam would be watertight. Now remember, it took 5 years to complete making this dam. As a matter of fact, it is probably the only government structure that was completed early and under budget. Now that budget back then in 1931 was $49 million. The dam was constructed between 1931 and 1936. It is over 700 feet tall, and it is 1,244 feet wide. Now, if you look to the left-hand side, remember that bathtub ring I told you about? That white area is where the water level used to be. I remember coming out here, you could stand right here. I came out here in 1983, I could reach over and touch the water. It came all the way up to the rim. That long ago. Now that fencing that you see in the left-hand side, that is a security measure that is